Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Yeah, last couple of days, very sick, but getting better now. And thank God, tomorrow, Wednesday, so I'll be able to do the webinar at 4. I will send out the invitation tonight sometime, or maybe in the morning. My son will do it. So anyway, I just want to make this video because I made this chart, this chart of GJ Pound-yen, and I posted on the Telegram, remember? So what happened that this is what I was showing here, that this thing is going to drop here, but it went up, and it went up a lot, right? So I got an email that what the heck happened, right? Was this a new subscriber? So I decided to make a video out of this, and so because I took the trade, the long trade on this one, right? But what is the reason, and what is our main, the set of rules that we apply in this, strategy, whatever, so system, right? So let me show you this. That this is one other diagram, but let me see if I have it open here. If not, then I'll quickly open it, and it will be something like not this one, it's just too small. Let's say this one, right? So this is another diagram showing the possibilities. So this is like, for example, the black counter, X, A, B, and C. This is the point C at 23% line, but we do have an option there, a couple of options. One option is that it's going to drop here and then make a harmonic pattern, either Gertley or Bat or Bertley, right? My creation is Bertley. It's a mixed match, right, between Gertley and Bat. So, and then it will go up, or it will directly go up from here. So 23% line is the key line, key number. When it concerns what should I say about the Fibonacci? If you are, trying to use the Fibonacci, this is the most important number when you draw the Fibonacci in any direction, in anywhere. Okay, just pay attention to this 23% line. This will give you a very, very solid turning point. So anyway, so this one, let me show you the diagram that I posted here. This one, based on the same thing, the point C was at 23% line after making a 70%, 78%, right? But I posted this diagram. I forgot to post the other one, but we all know that, that's the thing. You should know that either you're going to go down and make the Gertley or butterfly pattern or whatever, whatever the pattern. So this 23% line or 38% line in case of 78% B pullback, usually two options. One, it will make the pattern and then go, or it will just follow the Elliott wave count and go straight up, right? So this is what happened. Now, how do we know that it's going to go down or go straight, right? So if you pay attention, I always teach this, that on a 40-minute chart that I make, and I'm showing a turning point. So how we go by with that? We must have a reversal candle on a 40-minute chart. And then the first entry would come from 7-minute chart. And if you don't want to take it, then wait until you get a 20-minute entry afterwards. For example, if 40 is bouncing from here, so this first blue candle is a reversal candle. Actually, before that, it's a white candle. Let me show you the live chart here. So, for example, we were here at that time, right? So let me open it up a little bit. So you see, when you have something all the way down and then going up with this white line, this white candle is a reversal candle. Let me open up a little bit more. You see that? This was the reversal candle. So at least one reversal candle, if we get that, then you know that it is probably going to make the turn. Then we will go on a 7-minute chart and wait for the entry. If not, then, or if you get it, you take it. And then if you don't want to take it, then you wait until the price moves up and then give you a 20-minute entry like this one, and then you take it, right? So we were here at that time. Let me go back here on the 40-minute. Let me shrink it back. Okay. So at the time I made that diagram here, this one, you see that we were here 6304. This is where we were. And I'm going to show you that 6304 is right there. So we were right there. Now you notice that we never got a reversal candle here to the downside. We should have a candle like this, black candle. That's a reversal candle. See this black candle, and after that we got red, 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 red. So we must have one here, and then you start following the 7-minute chart, make an entry from here, somewhere there, and then or 20-minute chart, you probably get the 20-minute chart entry like here, like this one here. So you go this much, and then you get an entry here. Now, what happened here exactly? Let's take a look. This one was on early 27th, which was Monday, right? Late Friday and or early Monday. So let me show you the 20-minute chart, what really happened there. Now, you can see here, this is the ending 24 ending, which is completely bullish. And then we got again the entry here on 27 around 9 p.m. Before that, we had an long entry here, no short entry on the 20-minute chart. And obviously, the 7-minute chart was out of the question because we never got a reversal candle. If you don't have a 40-minute reversal candle, you don't even look the 7-minute chart. That's completely out of the question. Now here, this one, you see, that's why I took this one. And then let me show you the entry chart here. You see, this is the exact entry here, the 6304. It bounced, it dropped, but never made a reversal candle on a 40-minute chart. So my chart was from 40-minute, not 20-minute. This is 40-minute, right? And 6304 was in the 23% line as the same area, and I'm supposed to have a reversal candle to go down first. Reversal. See, every time it makes the turn, it makes the reversal candle first, excuse me, and then followed by either here, the reversal candle, and then red, red, red. Here, going up, a reversal candle. A reversal candle is the one that closes from the top, it closes below the last candle. From the bottom, it closes above the last candle. Okay, that's the reversal candle. But we never had here. So no short, and then if you get a long, and especially in volume time, you simply take it. Now, once you take that, then what do we do? So I took this entry here after a couple of blue candles. Says, okay, it's not going down. Forget about it. It's going up. So it started to go up, and then right around here, I came and then like I start moving my SL behind the price, and then I'll sit on the break even, nice and clean. Now the game starts off finding the target. So how is the target is being found here in my system or any system? You can use the same strategy and same rules to find the target. See, now here I wrote down the 60-day average daily range of this pair pound yen right now. 60-day average is coming. Let me just wanted to make sure that I'm recording it. So it is right now. It's 187. 187, 188, between 185 and 190. That's the daily range of that pair. Means from the top to bottom in one day, each giving day, it moves around 190 pip. Okay. Average. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Sometimes 60, 70, 170, 160, 170, sometimes even 200, 210, 220. So you see this white dotted line, this is the day started here. So day started here. So the lowest point was this. So I marked this with yellow. And the highest point from here to there, 187. Let me just go here and then show you that, 187 pip comes where. This was the low. My entry point was the low also. Not entry point is there, but this was the low. So 187, you can see here that this is the top here. This high was 187. That was a daily range. Now you notice that my entry was a little bit up here. So let me see. So my entry from here and there. So that is total of 146. So this is somewhere here. I close my trade around 145. So if you know, and if you are aware of this daily range game, this is the indicator that shows the daily range. You can see here, this average 60-day range is 186. So now a previous day range, yesterday, this pair did 240, a lot more than the daily range. Sometimes it does only, you know, maybe like 160, 170, sometimes less than the, but average comes out 180, 87 pip, right? So that's where when we get close, and that's how I hold the trade. You should hold the trade until it goes all the way to close to your daily range. Excuse me. So my entry was here. So from my entry point, right, from my entry point to exactly where it was at the time of closing, I recorded the chart and I closed the trade, and it was 140 pip. Right just above that was the end of the daily range. It could have gone more, but I don't care, right? Because 100, more than 100, anything is better than anything, right? So 100, even 70, 80, if let's say if you forget to take the entry here and you take this entry, right? So now the daily range is getting finished here anyway. So maybe from your entry to here, maybe like 40, 50 pip, you got to close it because the daily range is about to end. I got 140 because my entry was way ahead of the game. I mean, too early, from, I had the whole daily range to squeeze, right? And that's what it is. If you make an entry from here, maybe 100 pip trade, you have to close. From here, maybe 60. From here, maybe see only 40, 50, right? But I got the entry here. That's why I hold all the way here, 140 pip, close, bye-bye. The next day, Benadryl got me. So I was completely sleeping, got knocked out. My cold was very bad, and I just couldn't do anything. Otherwise, there was like a nice and clean from here. That was another 140, 50 pip trade. But, no regret, whatever you can get, that's it. And don't look for, to squeeze everything because we can't. So anyway, this is what happened. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show, that, yeah, 40-minute charts, trade setups are the turning points, expected turning points. If we make the turn, and if we have a reversal candle, then you go your either 7-minute, and if you don't want to be that fast, right, and you want to go to more conservative type of trading, to then go for 20-minute chart and then wait for your 20-minute entry, which you will probably get in a couple of hours, right? So when you have it, like for example here, going to the upside, this indicator is going to the upside, then you have a reversal candle, you have a blue candle, you have alarm beeping. Then what we do, we relax, and there is no entry point here. It's just the alarm that we might be going to the upside. So if we are going to the upside, then we must get a 20-minute entry. Like for example, this one, it start to go right here. It made the 20-minute entry, 20-minute entry, it goes. This is, it is not entry here, but it is an entry on the 20-minute chart. Here, similar, exactly same thing. It start to go up, then it dips here. It just make the 20-minute entry again from here. 20-minute entry gone. Okay, so this is why I went long. You see this 120, this 120, and then before this dip again, beautiful. See, it was start to go up. 20-minute entry, long, 20-minute long, 20-minute long, keep going. So this is the game between the 40-minute chart and the 20-minute chart, and of course 7-minute as well, if you want to be a little bit fast, and then squeeze almost every pip out of that thing. I rather take it easy and then just trade or get the fat part of the move, right? If the move is 200, you get 70, 80, 100 pip trade, that's fine. If the move is like 100, 150, I usually trade most of the pairs that I trade, euro-Aussie, pound yen, pound CAD, pound NZD. They have their daily range is like more than 150 pip anyway. So if the pair is supposed to move around that much from top to bottom, getting 70, 80, 100 pip out of that move, that kind of move, is not a problem using the system, right? So just wanted to clarify that, yeah, I was expecting that, but the chart supposed to be this, that from this 23% line, right, either it's going to come down or go up, but based on what? If you have a long setup, it's not making a reversal, short reversal candle, right? Instead of that, you get in the volume time, and then you see that it is bullish on the bullish territory and giving you a long setup, and then going up with the blue candles. Get in there, no problem, right? Worst come to worst, it will flip again, then make a reversal candle, then you get in with the 7-minute chart, and but with the same time, in the same time, if you watch your weekly chart that I made, the weekly chart was the pound. If I have it, look, pound. I made it on February. I gave it to you guys, 11th February. That this thing is gonna go all the way up here anyway. It is already so far. It is like here, right? So my weekly chart was telling us that it will be going to the upside around this 67 or 68 area anyway. And so far, how far it is now, let's take a look. See, it went up all the way here, then drop, and hopefully, maybe it will go up again. Depend on the yen index. If yen is keep getting weaker, then yeah, it will go up. Okay, so just wanted to clarify this little move, and then rules, because new people are always coming in, so they get a little bit confused that what the heck. But so my sending these charts on the Telegram, that doesn't mean that you must have a turn coming in. It is just like ahead of time expected turn. There are turning points where you can expect based on Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, SNR level, bounce, resistance, trend line bounce, right? So yeah, so I post that so that you get ready and put the alarm on. And if you have a reversal candle, then you go and look for your proper entry from the proper entry chart. Okay, I hope it's clear. Even if you don't have any, it's not clear, then if you have any question in your mind, or come later on, then please email me and I will explain. And if I have to, I'll make a whole webinar about this again, where you can ask the questions if you have in your mind. All right, so let me know. All right, so I'm gonna make this video public so that everybody else knows also. They don't have the system though, but they will know that exactly what we are doing here. And it's not just fake or not fake, but random taking sell or buy orders, but it is based on proper setting and proper rules and regulations, right? Between the 40-minute and the 20-minute, and of course our weekly chart helps a lot. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Tonight I will try to stay awake and post on some on the Telegram some of those setups. Okay, all right, so bye for now, and let me go take a nap.